Good morning, New Beginnings High School students. This is Miss Woods, Emotional Wellness Counselor. Thank you for joining me for Motivational Moments for Me. Today is Thankful Thursday, and our quote today is, "It's okay not to be okay. Just don't give up." With that being said, we're going to talk about never giving up. Like one of my favorite wrestlers, John Cena, says, never give up. I want to give you a couple of pointers on how to never give up. The first thing is you have to adapt a "I will not quit" attitude. So no matter how hard it gets, how difficult it may seem, you have to have that attitude that "I will not quit." And then watch someone else persevere. Someone who you know is a hard worker. Someone who you see struggling maybe to get the job done, but they continue to work on it until they actually get to the finish line. By watching them, you can learn from them. Call someone. Call someone who you know will encourage you. Someone who has been through maybe some of the same things that you're dealing with or you're going through, or know what it means to never give up. Call them for encouragement. Go back to your why. Why are you working on Edgenuity? Why are you continuing to plug in and do the work that we're asking you to do? Why do you keep going back and taking that test over and over again? Your why is so that you can finish school and get your diploma. So stay focused on that. Find a different how. So maybe the way that you're doing it is not working, but you can try go a different route. How can I do this differently? Success at something else. So succeed at something else. Just because you don't succeed at one thing, you don't give up, but you go and try something else. So success in one area is better than success in no area. You may do good on one test, you may do good in one subject, but that is still success in another area. Use failure as a stepping stone. So that means just because you didn't get it, you didn't pass it the first time, or you didn't get the lesson, didn't understand it the very first time, that does not mean you give up. You use that as a stepping stone to continue to work on it and work on it. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Never give up. Keep chipping away at it. That's the same thing. I want you to keep chipping and chipping and chipping until you finally break whatever it is, that obstacle, that rock, what's the wall that you feel is hindering you from your goals. You keep chipping at it until it is eventually gone. And finally, the last thing is I want you to live your best life. And that means just being the very best person that you can be. Live your best life. And remember, today is Thankful Thursday. And our attitude here at New Beginnings is that we will never give up. Thank you for watching and have a thankful Thursday.